In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new DJWW type ransomware that is called JJWW. JJWW is the DJWW ransomware that attacks Windows computers right now. It targets pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. The ransomware encrypts these files, and then after the encryption is successful, it is not possible to use the files anymore. Because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and then pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their files, and that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware just encrypts all these files, and the files are no longer accessible. So you can now clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. This JJWW extension has been added, and it's not possible to use the files. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. The ransom is $980. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So if you pay the ransom, you may simply lose your money. We recommend you to first of all carefully check the task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes here, you need to right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. Then we recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately, and we suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the website combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin scanning and researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. So then the scanning will begin. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, and other infections. While this scanning is taking place, I want you to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature is the part of the premium license only, but it allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations, and we strongly advise that you upgrade to premium license. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected, and you may always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.